Alright guys, so this is definitely not your atypical credit card or credit sense video, but it will be because I'm gonna make it that way. It's my video, my channel, and I don't want to walk in the water. I can do whatever the hell I want, right? So most financial videos, even credit card videos, it's just some guy or girl sitting there talking to you about credit cards and credit tips and strategies and yeah, all that stuff. I'm an outdoorsy guy. I love to hike. Those that you didn't know me personally know that I am an avid hiker, and that's a cool shot. Watch this. You know that I am an avid hiker and I love to be outdoors. I also go kayaking, which is why I actually purchased this GoPro, because I'm a big kayaker also. So I just figure I get a little creative, and I'm gonna start doing as the weather gets nicer. It is the beginning of March, and as you can see, it's a very overcast day here in Virginia. Not that cold. I think it's in the mid 40s, not quite in the 50s yet. According to the weatherman, it's gonna be like in the 60s today, but it's almost 1 o'clock. It's not in the 60s. In fact, yeah, it's like 44 degrees right now according to my phone. Anyway, so I want to talk to you guys a little bit about those things called credit card benefits. Now, I'm not talking about the offers you get in the mail. You know, you get those credit card offers, those like junk mail. So we're not talking credit card offers. I'm talking like the benefits. If you have a credit card, you know, my rule is, first off, if you have a credit card, make sure you're getting something back from it, right? Like a percent or a point system. If you're not, then but if you have the average credit card like most of us do, you should be getting some benefits with that. Now, benefits come in different flavors. They range from special offers that may run for a week or two, maybe longer. It could be like I love travel credit cards, right? So travel credit cards, you get travel benefits, and I'm gonna put some of those up on the screen for you guys to see. So this video is all about benefits of credit cards, and are you taking advantage of your credit card benefits? Alrighty, I am going to hike here for a little bit. I'll be right back. Okay, so let me just say this. It rained last night, so this park is very wet, very muddy. Ooh, my favorite, right? Anyway, so I brought up some of these offers. This is going to be on my Amex card. This is one of my favorite cards. You guys know that from watching my other videos. But as an example, so like right now, what it's saying is I would use my Amex card at Total Wine. If I spent $100 or more, I'm going to get back $20 in a statement credit, right? There's one here for TurboTax. I don't really see the benefit. Save $10 to $20 on your online order. I'm not sure what you're ordering. Taxes? I don't know. Here's one that kind of stood out to me. If you're big at Neiman Marcus, it says if you spend $250 or more at Neiman Marcus, you're going to get it back a statement credit of $50. All right, I don't really shop Neiman Marcus, excuse me, so that's not a big one for me, but I know some people do. I live in the Washington, D.C. area. I know a lot of people who probably shop at Neiman Marcus. Here's one that maybe the rest of us may use. Spend $50 or more at Sam's Club, and you're going to get back $10. Can I show you the lake real quick? I'm going to show you the lake real quick. Isn't that pretty? It's the perfect overcast gray day today. Just think, in, I don't know, a few weeks to a couple of months, this is all going to be really green and really pretty and really bright. Anyway, getting back to credit card benefits. So those are just some. There are tons of them in here for American Express. I'm scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. So my point is, if you have a credit card, they all compete against each other, right? So they're probably going to have these benefits, whether it be for a few weeks or it be for a few months. You know, it usually has an expiration date, and you know, if that's something that you want to take advantage of, you can save yourself a couple of dollars, even up to $100+ depending upon how much you want to spend. And again, I'm not talking about something extravagant like going out and buying a brand new car or something like that. I'm talking anything from everyday spending to items you're going to get anyway, right? So as an example, right now my Southwest credit card, they have a thing, I think it's 10%, I have to verify, where every time I go to Starbucks for the next 3 weeks, I get back 10%. It could be up to 20, but I think it's just 10%. So every time I use my Southwest Visa at Starbucks, I'm getting back 10% on my purchase, right? Well, it's a statement credit. So Starbucks, nothing, you know, out of the ordinary. I think we all go to Starbucks, at least most of us, right? I go there at least 2, maybe 3 times a week. All right, I'm gonna go there anyway, so why not go there and get back 10%, right? Doesn't it make sense? And again, you know, my whole purpose of this channel is to, let me hold this higher, I think maybe I look better. I don't know. They always say hold the camera slightly above, either at or above, you look better. So I don't know, I'm still an amateur, right? But yeah, so I'm getting back this 10% statement credit from my Southwest credit card, just for shopping at Starbucks or buying what I'm going to buy anyway, which is coffee. There is, I think it's on my Southwest card, it could be on one of my Chase cards. I have 2 of them. There's an offer right now for, I think it's called Untuck It. It's that new shirt company, or fairly new shirt company, for guys who are like not so tall, because I'm under 6 feet. So you know, medium height, I'm gonna put it that way. I've never shopped there, I've never even walked into the store, but it does have my attention, mostly because one of my colleagues at work, he's really big into their product line, to their shirts, and he's always encouraging me, or at least the team, check them out. And there is one that's in the local mall here in the Tyson's Corner area is where it's at. And anyway, he's telling me that you can go online and you can get this coupon for like 20 or 25% off on your very first purchase or order. Well, like I said, I forget which card it's on, but I think it's either on my Southwest card or one of my Chase cards. They're going to give you also an extra 20% off. Again, one of those benefits. If I shop there, I think for the next 2 or 3 weeks, I get this 20% statement credit just for going in there and buying a shirt. Now, as you can see, it's very gray out here, right? It is the beginning of March, and summer is coming up, so it's time for some new clothing, right? New wardrobe, time to refresh the closet. So I'm gonna buy shirts anyway, right? So why not get 20% off? I'm gonna use my credit card anyway, right? Because I want to get my points. So why not get some cash back, right? Why not get some a discount, basically? So I get this 20 or 25% off from the manufacturer, from the store, because it'd be my first purchase. But then in addition to that, I also get, there are a bunch of kids coming, so it may get loud or noisy. But I also get this 20% credit off my credit card. So if you're looking at, I don't know, 25% from the store, then an additional 20% from the credit card. That's just a quick little thing on, are you taking advantage of your benefits on your credit cards? It's not running right now, but on one of my cards, again, I forget which one, it's like 5 of them, 5 or 6, I lost count. But on one of them, they had this promotion a few months back. I think it was with Advance Auto or AutoZone, one of the two. And it was like, if you spend $75, you get back $10. Now, we don't go to AutoZone or Advance Auto every day, but if you're in that, you know, if you're a car guy, a car person, I don't want to say guy because, you know, the world is pretty universal, right? But there was a good deal, right? I did not take advantage of it. I didn't need anything. My car is brand new. It's a 2017. But if you're someone who works on cars a lot, or you just had that need at that moment, that would have been a great time to go, you know, save yourself a few extra dollars, because your credit card was going to give you back this statement credit of at least $10 just for spending $75. So again, guys, a quick video on, are you taking advantage of some of your credit card benefits? Hopefully you are. I know me personally, I go in there about once every 2 weeks, maybe every 3 weeks, and look at all my credit cards and see what new offers they have. I love wine. I just showed you the one from American Express. Total Wine, spend $100, get back $20, I think it was. That's a good one. I don't buy wine all the time, but certain seasons I do. I'll give you a good one. American Express gives this travel credit every year of $100, and you can pick any airline. Well, not any, but they have a list of what they call travel partners. So my other credit card, as you know, is Southwest. So real quick, ducks going by. Don't know if you guys can see that. I'm still learning how to use my GoPro. But anyway, so before 2018 ended, I cashed out my travel credit of $100 from American Express. So basically what I did is I went onto Southwest website and I purchased a gift card for $100. And then I went back into American Express's website and, well, however that works. But anyway, the very next day I had a statement credit on my American Express card because I did make that $100 gift card purchase for Southwest. So now I have $100 in travel that I paid for, but then American Express gave me back the $100 on my credit, on my statement. So anyway, just again, some little tips and tricks there on, or basically, are you using your credit card benefits? All right, one moment. Okay, I'm back. So I'm actually going to go ahead and end this video now because, again, I don't want it to be too long, and I'm having a good time out here. I just love getting my shoes all muddy. All right. Well, that's enough of mud. Okay. So anyway, I'm going to enjoy the rest of this day. I have to get some exercise here because I've been cooped up for the last, what, 3 months, maybe 4 months with the cold weather. One last little panoramic here. I think those birds are like feeding. They seem to be very excited over there. Anyway, guys, thank you so much again for watching. Speaking of credit cards, I have a couple of links down below for the American Express card and also the Southwest card. If you sign up, I think you get 40,000 points with both, or 50,000, I forget. Have to go check it out. If you don't have either of those two cards, I can tell you firsthand, they're great cards to have. They have tons of benefits on them at any given time. So for everyday spend or things you're going to buy anyway, they're probably good cards to have. I can tell you, for me at least, my lifestyle, I love them both. And of course, I'm not going to leave Chase out of it. Chase has some good benefits too. So in addition to, you know, your points, in addition to your percent, don't forget to check out your benefits that you're getting from your credit card. All right, and again, I'm not holding my camera up, but it's okay. You know, after a while this thing gets really heavy. Hey, you guys have a great one. Don't forget to like and subscribe and, you know, all that fun stuff. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next one.